Hello everyone, I just made a YouTube experiment, which I decided to upload a video on my secret channel. This experiment will prove you that it's not all about luck, it's all about trusting the YouTube algorithm. In just 3 months, this secret channel reached more than 1,000 subscribers without using any app or doing sub to sub, and with only 5 videos uploaded. This channel is a clean one, which I don't uploaded any videos here before. But how did I make that happen? Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and turn on bell on to keep updated on my latest videos. I do random tutorial videos that maybe it may help you one day. And this is my secret channel, it has only 5 videos, the first video was uploaded 3 months ago, and the 5th video was uploaded a month ago. So to prove that YouTube algorithm really works, after uploading the 5th video, I stopped uploading on this channel and just waited to reach 1,000 subscribers without doing anything. And guess what? It has reached more than 1,000 subscribers easily in just 3 months, and I've reached this with the help of keywords. Adding keywords on your video descriptions help your video appear more on search results or on YouTube recommendations. It also helps YouTube analyze what is your video all about.